Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetrading.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get it started. This is the first one is pound yen, and it's taken from 7-minute chart for 70 pip. You can see this is the entry here, the yellow mark, showing the entry point with the setup and SL move to break even plus all the trades you will see. It is according all of them according to the proper setup. Without the setup, I don't take any trade. So this is the long setup and the trade happened. So again, this is the long as well. This is Euro Yen from 7-minute chart and on the same day, and entry is right there. This is USD Yen. Yen was getting weaker, so all the yen pair went up. And then, 23rd, 24th, this is a 50-minute chart. I mean, for 50 pivots from 7-minute chart, sorry. This is gold going to the upside for 80 pip on the 25th. Buy orders right there. And this is a pound Aussie, big move to the upside. Buy orders right there for 70 pip from 7-minute chart. It looks big, but it's not that big, because it's a 7-minute chart. Here on the 25th, Euro Aussie for 60 pip. Again, Aussie was getting weaker, so taking both of these pairs to the upside. Now this week, they're gonna drop. Be careful. So Euro Aussie again went up 25 on 25th. Buy orders right there. Pound yen going to the upside on the 25th for 60 pip. And this is gold dropping big time and start drop. 25th sell orders right there. Pound yen now dropping again, right? So on the 25th for 90 pip from 3rd-minute chart. And this is now yen started to get strong. So all yen pair went down. So pound yen, this is USD yen down move, and there's the entry. Then you will see gold going to the upside. And then on the 25th, and then gold again. This is from 500 chart. I took the short based on this, not because of the setup. This is the only one I took without my proper 20 minutes or 7-minute setup. This is just based on the highs and the lows and the fib. So this was on exactly coming from this area here, right? And right after the red candle, reversal candle, I took the entry. And this one next is gold. This is how it is. So that's the entry there. And then from smaller time frame, which is my 75 box size chart. And there's an entry here, beautiful entry at this level at 75 from there, 35 pip. And on the 26 pound Aussie went up big time. The charts on my website, that why it went up, and again is going to go up a little bit more. So this one is a pound yen now for 65 pip to the upside on the 26th. On the 26th, gold again going to the upside. And then euro yen start to drop. This one for 65 pip from 7-minute chart. And this one, I would say 95% of these trades that I'm showing, they are taken by the EA, the expert advisor robot that I have. When the setup is there, the trade is taken automatically, even if I'm not there or if I'm sleeping or whatever. That's why I'm having so many trades, right? Because nobody can, stay in front of the computer all day, all night, right? And if you do manually, you hardly can do maybe 4 or 5 trades a week, right? So, but this EA catches everything. So Aussie yen 60 pip to the downside, and here gold 75 box size. That's not minute, but box size. Sell order is right there. Beautiful entry for 80 pip to the downside. Another one you will see gold from 150 box size. This was a small one that we just saw, and then this is from 150. It's 140 pip to the downside. This thing went down big time, right? So on the 27th, you can see Nasdaq going to the upside for 85 points. Euro yen to the downside for 90 pip. Sell orders right there. This is on the 27th. And this is Euro USD short trade. Beautiful. Every single thing is exactly by the setup. The setup has to be there. It's a must, right? 4 conditions. All 4 conditions are there. Then my trade robot open the trade. This one pound USD going to the downside for 50 pip. This is Nasdaq Omer trade. This is the Omer system. This is Omer's trade for 220 points. Pound yen start to go up for 105. You can see a beautiful entry taken by the EA. This little arrow that shows that the trade is taken by the EA. And this is on the 28th. And then on the 28th, pound yen and what else? Okay, this is pound Aussie on the 28th. This is again taken by the EA, and buy order is right there for 75 pip. And that's GA, and then this is EA, expert advisor, Euro Aussie. The trade is taken by the expert advisor robot. See this arrow here? This is, I don't know why it didn't take this one or this one, but this doing something, maybe my EA was not there or something, my chart wasn't on something. But anyway, so these are, this is also 75 pip. I think, no, this is not. On the gold, again, here, this one is on the 27th. I don't know why it's here. Okay, these couple of charts are wrong. So all these, almost like 29 trades, right? And it is all, credit goes to my expert advisor robot. All right, so this is it for now. You can do manually, and but like I said, that whenever you have time, and you can maybe do one or two trade a day, and that's about it. But robot, when you have a setup, you know that this thing is going to go to the upside. Then what I do is I place my robot on that 7-minute chart and the 20-minute chart, and make it long or short, whatever the direction that I think that this thing is gonna go. And if in that direction that thing start to go to the up or down in the direction that I already determined, then my EA is there and it takes it. If it goes the opposite direction, I don't want that because I don't know what the heck is happening, right? So this is how it is. If you want to learn, you want to get the system or robot or anything, just go on my website, creativetrainingsystem.com, and you will find everything there. All right, so this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll make another video about a couple of new setups for this week. All right, so bye for now and talk to you guys later.